Hello, hi guys, welcome to Quadruple store. Okay, let's see a large scoop video as we launched a small regular scoop and mystery bags. So this is our large scoop video. So in this video, let's see how the process and everything. We had good support from you all guys for our regular scoop and mystery bag. Thank you so much. Hope you support further. Subscribe our channel for more guys. So let's start our video now. Okay, this is our large scoop. Here we takes the beads. Okay, that is the large scoop beads chart. Okay, let's arrange the beads. You get unique products in this. All are very classic products. Okay, done. Don't miss it guys. Okay, take the beads. Okay, first we'll get the green 4 beads. Okay, we get a matte flower finish clip, and here we give matte flower finish clip. This is a matte finish clip, such a cute, a big one. And let's give this lavender color, such a cute color. And next let's give this a cute shell clip, medium size clip, and this medium size clip. Okay, next with 2 dark pink earring and bow stone clip. Earring, let's give this cute earring, such a cute pretty earring with this bow clip, stone bow clip, cute one. A very premium quality guys, very premium quality you'll get in this. Okay, next with this 5 blue ring or hibiscus flower clip. Okay, first we'll go with this cute heart ring, and let's give this a yellow hibiscus flower clip, such a cute color, and again this cute color hibiscus flower clip, and one scrunchie, handmade scrunchie. Okay, done. And 2 purple color lavender. Okay, for this flower clip and lucky charm bracelet, or glossy flower clip, lucky charm bracelet, let's give this purple flower clip, so glossy, and this charm bracelet. Cute. Next 2 yellow. For this yellow we give shell clip or a bow. Okay, cute glossy shell clip, white color, and a bow, a cute bow. Next 2 pink color, light pink, cute chain or a blossom design clip. Okay, let's give this a cute chain and cute a flower blossom pink clip, cute one, very premium quality guys, don't miss it. So this is the order. How is the order guys? Please comment us. So please subscribe our channel for more and more. Anyone wants this order, please WhatsApp us, DM us a large scoop order. So this is the order. Each products are very premium quality. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more and more offers and everything guys. Please comment us, WhatsApp us, DM us for the order. We have lots of collections, further videos we will share you everything guys. Don't miss it to place your order. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all are enjoying our videos. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting us always guys. Thank you so much. So this is the order closer wise. Cute, right? All are very premium qualities. Very cute colors. We have color options also guys. Whatever the color if you require also, you can DM us. Thank you so much guys.